Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time we're gonna do another recycling because, well, as you saw, that painting was, the least we can say, horrible. I think it was one of the worst I did. I didn't know where to go with it because I wanted to put some sprinkle in it, and well, I did it. I didn't know how to get to do sprinkle on it, but as you saw, it was a disaster. So again, with acrylic, what's good about it, if you don't like a piece that you make, well, you can always go over it with another acrylic pouring or something like that. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do a flip cut, but this time I want to do something that I don't think I ever done before. We're going to mix also with the water to dilute our acrylic. We're going to put some liquid silicone on it. We're going to put also dish washing liquid, and we're also going to put some varnish into it. So we're going to see what happens. I think it's going to be a nice reaction between those three products together. Well, we never know, so the best way to go at it is to try it, and let's go and see it. So guys, I think we have a very nice result. Well, always subjective, but I think it's very nice. The color is very bright. I could have put some black in it to do some more details in it. So anyway, I think it's nice as is. The only thing, as you might have noticed, is that the paint doesn't seem to quite stick to the edge of the canvas. And I think the reason is quite simple. It always does that when we put too much silicone. At first, I thought I didn't put too much silicone, liquid silicone in it, but I don't know why, but I did add, like you saw in my dirty cup, I did add some spray silicone. I think that was too much. I think because of that, that's one of the reasons that it didn't stick, because it wasn't a painting that was varnish at first. So it shouldn't have gone this way. Of course, another problem is that I did put a little bit too much water, since I put soap in it and also the silicone and the varnish. I think because of those three products with each other, it was more liquid, so I should have put a little less water. Anyway guys, it's nice, but always when you put soap in your acrylic, the only thing is that it's going to take a little more time to dry. Either way, as you saw, I almost burned everything when I did burn it a bit, so just to prove you that there was a lot of silicone, because that's only silicone that can burn that way. But again, I think either way it's nice. It does a nice contrast. The fact that I did put a little bit more acrylic afterwards on the edge, but still I think it's a nice contrast. The fact that we still see on the edge a bit of black. Always subjective, depends on your taste, but I don't think this one is going to be recycled. I think it's nice as is. So guys, once again, thanks for being here, thanks for coming back, and I hope we're going to see each other again. So like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video guys. Take care. Ciao.